Hello, my name is Pauletta Hansel, and I am the 2022 Writer-in-Residence for the Cincinnati and Hamilton County Public Library. My parents would say that I was born a poet. Apparently my first book was written when I was too young to actually know how to spell, so my mother had to spell every single word of my little book of poems and prayers that I wrote when I was 5 or 6 years old. My poetry is really very much focused on my own experiences as a young woman growing up in Appalachia, my family background, my family now. In some ways, although I am a poet, memoir is the cloth from which my poetry comes from, as well as my memoir pieces. I love the library, and libraries in general have been such a big part of my own life as a reader and as a writer. I think that I would not be writing if it were not for the experience of libraries in my life, and I wanted to be able to give something to that library experience, which I know has inspired so many writers, both in Cincinnati and beyond, and felt that this was kind of the perfect pairing of my love for reading and my love for writing. My hopes for my time as writer-in-residence is really about making connections. It's about making connections between the people who participate in library programs and the writers who are part of the Cincinnati community. It's about helping people make connections in their own lives through using the art and craft of writing to be able to tell their own stories and speak of their own experiences. It's just such a great opportunity to be connected with this very important and meaningful and democratic institution of a public library, and to be able to make connections between writers and readers, and between folks who are a part of the Cincinnati Public Library family but maybe don't have a lot of information about all of the great writers in our own community. I'm Pauletta Hansel, and I am excited to be your Writer-in-Residence in 2022.